types of agents in detail. So now in this video we will explore environment of AI. So मैंने पहले भी बताया था कि any agent will perceive information from its environment with the help of sensor, and it will act on that environment with the help of effectors. So environment is anything that surrounds agent. So we can say it is the situation in which agent lives and in which agent operates. Now the most common example of artificial environment is Turing test. So what happens here? In total there are three entities, two persons and a machine. Out of the two persons, one will play the role of tester and other person along with machine will answer that tester. So the person giving answer and machine both are in a separate room, as well as tester doesn't know that who is person and who is machine. Now tester will start questioning both by typing questions, and he will also receive typed message. So now target here is to fool that tester. So if tester ये decide नहीं कर पाया कि who is machine and who is person, then machine is said to be intelligent. Now comes types of task environment or properties of environment. First one is fully or partially observable. So here at any time point, if environment का complete state determine हो सकता है, so it is fully observable, otherwise it will be partially observable. Now second one is deterministic or stochastic. इसका मतलब है कि from current state next state determine हो सकता है, तो it is deterministic, otherwise it is stochastic or non-deterministic. Then third one is episodic or sequential. So here each episode will consist of an agent perceiving and then acting. If upcoming episodes are not dependent on previous episodes, then they are called episodic, other they are sequential. Now fourth one is static or dynamic. So while the agent is working, अगर environment change होगा तो it would be dynamic, and if environment change नहीं होगा तो it will be static. Now fifth one is accessible or inaccessible. तो if agent के sensors environment में जो कुछ भी present है सब कुछ access कर सकते हैं, so it would be accessible, otherwise inaccessible. Then comes discrete versus continuous. So if there are a limited number of distinct and clearly defined states, then environment will be discrete, otherwise it will be continuous. Thereafter comes single versus multiple agent. So अगर एक environment में सिर्फ एक ही agent work कर रहा है तो obviously it will be single agent, and if more than one agents are working then it will be multi agents. Thank you.